Deep listening. Now here's a surprising connection between Richard Wagner on one hand and Pauline Oliveros and modernist avant-garde musicians on the other. Because we've Wagner to thank for the idea that when we go into a theatre, any theatre, it should be dark and it should be a place where we can't see the people who are making sounds, the orchestra. In Bayreuth, in his theatre, he was the first to hide the orchestra completely from our view so that we'd enter some kind of transfigured sensorium in which we were encountering a kind of dream world. Out of this blackness would emerge sounds. We'd no idea where they were coming from. But there's a connection between that kind of sonic immersion in our listening, the idea that listening transports us automatically somewhere else. For Pauline Oliveros, it was the deep listening band, something that started in the 1980s under the earth, a few feet under the earth in a disused military cistern in Fort Worth in Washington State in the United States. But there, her music and the music that she made with two other musicians there was also about creating a kind of transcendence in which we seem to become the music while the music lasts. But for that to be true, we have to embark on this journey of deep listening, something that's born in Germany in the late 19th century, but it's now deeply connected with what we imagine the musical experience to be. Because the moment we say that music takes us somewhere else, we're involved in this cultural work of deep listening.